Ever wondered why Excel is such a buzzword in the corporate world? The answer lies not just in its utility as a spreadsheet tool, but in its vast capabilities that serve as the lifeblood of countless business operations. Imagine a tool that can summarize and analyze large datasets, making sense of a sea of numbers. That's what pivot tables in Excel do. They are a powerful tool that can transform overwhelming data into insightful information. But Excel isn't just about sorting data, it's also about performing complex calculations. With advanced formulas and functions like VLOOKUP, index match, and array functions, Excel moves beyond simple arithmetic, enabling intricate data manipulations and analyses. Visual representation of data is as crucial as the data itself. Excel's charting tools, such as line, bar, and scatter plots, make this task a breeze. By representing data in visually compelling formats, Excel aids in presentations and data interpretation. And then, there's automation. Macros and VBA, or Visual Basic for applications in Excel, can drastically cut down on manual tasks. This leads to enhanced efficiency and productivity. To ensure data integrity, Excel provides data validation and conditional formatting tools. With these, you can set up constraints and visually differentiate data based on certain conditions. Mastering Excel is like opening a door to better job opportunities and a higher pay scale. It's an investment in your career's trajectory. Combine Excel expertise with soft skills, and you become an integral part of any team. Someone who not only understands the data, but can also derive actionable insights from it and communicate those effectively. Consider the roles that value Excel mastery: data analysts, financial analysts, management consultants, project managers, and supply chain analysts, to name a few. These roles demand proficiency in Excel and offer attractive remuneration. Excel isn't just a tool, it's a stepping stone to a high-paying career. Embrace the Excel journey and position yourself at the forefront of the modern business world. Remember, in the world of business, Excel is not just a skill, it's a superpower. Let's take a look at the average salaries of some jobs that require Excel expertise. Data analysts can expect an average salary of around $70,000. Financial analysts are looking at an average of $85,000. If you're a management consultant, you could earn an average of $105,000. Project managers are looking at around $90,000, and supply chain analysts are looking at an average of $80,000. As you can see, these roles not only demand proficiency in Excel, but also offer attractive remuneration. So your Excel superpower isn't just a skill, it's a ticket to a lucrative career.